You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to check if strangers are using your Samsung phone's mobile hotspot and how to remove them. First, open the Settings app and tap Connections. Tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, then tap Mobile Hotspot. On this screen, tap Manage Devices. You will see a list of all devices currently connected to your hotspot showing their device names. Review this list carefully. If you see an unknown device, it means someone else is using your Wi-Fi. To block them immediately, tap the gear icon or the three dots next to the unknown device's name. Select Block or Disconnect. To prevent future unauthorized access, you must change your hotspot password. Go back to the mobile hotspot settings and tap More Options or the three dots. Tap Configure Mobile Hotspot. Tap the password field and create a new, strong password. Tap Save. Your hotspot will restart with the new password, disconnecting all devices. Ensure your hotspot is not set to open no password. Also, consider changing the hotspot name SID to something less obvious. Regularly check the connected devices list to monitor activity. This secures your data and prevents excessive data usage from strangers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.